Hello there, my name is Finn. I'm on the forward deployed team here at Medplum, and today I'll be giving a quick demo of our Managed Service Organization Example App. A common challenge is handling the access controls such that a clinician can still work across multiple clinics and patients can receive care from multiple clinics. In Medplum, using an isolated multi-tenant approach will not work. This diagram on the left can be found in the project README, but really it's showing how the Fire and Medplum resources are connected. The entire MSO can be represented using a single Medplum project, and within that, MSO employees are stored as Medplum admin users, more specifically practitioner resources. Clinics use organization resources, clinicians use practitioner resources, and patients are represented with patient resources. So here we are, loaded up into the example app. You'll see I'm labeled as an admin user. And as an admin user, you will have the privileges such as creating clinics, creating clinicians, and managing the enrollment across those different clinics. When you're logged in as an admin user, the directions will look different. So as an admin user, or within this example as the MSO employee, it'll first prompt you to upload the default access policy. From a high level, what this access policy is doing is it's asking, does this resource have a shared organization reference with the practitioner that's asking for it? Next, you'll be asked to upload the sample Fire bundle. In this Fire bundle, there are 3 patients, patient A, patient B, and patient C, and there will be an observation, diagnostic report, encounter, and communication for each of those patients. Next, we'll create a new clinic. I'll create another one. And now we can create clinicians. Great. Now let's create another clinician. Awesome. Now, on the Manage Clinics page, we can click on either of these clinics that we've created, and we can see a list of the enrolled clinicians and patients. Now, when we log in with John Snow, we won't expect to see any patients yet. Here we are, logged in with John Snow, a clinician user. When we look at the patients, it'll say, here are the patients accessible to John Snow in this project. None yet. Now, if we go back to the admin user and now enroll a patient, let's say patient A, we'll now expect to see patient A as John Snow. Great. Now we see patient A. We can also see the observation about patient A, the encounter, the communication, and the diagnostic report. Now, back as the admin user, let's go to our other clinic. We can enroll John Snow there. And let's enroll patient C. Now that John Snow is also enrolled in the King's Landing Health Center and patient C is enrolled there, we should expect to see both patient A and patient C for John Snow. Great. Now we see patient A, patient C, and all the other resources as well. Now, what happens if we unenroll John Snow from one of these clinics? Well, let's go to Winterfell. Let's unenroll John Snow. And now we'll only expect to see patient C. He should no longer have access to patient A. Great. We can see he was successfully unenrolled and his access to those resources is now revoked.